are having this error on your computer, then make sure to finish the short video tutorial on how to fix it. First, what you can try to do is adjust UAC settings, and you can do that by opening Start menu, search for UAC, click the Change User Account Control Settings option, move the slider to one level, and if UAC was disabled, move the slider up one level to enable basic UAC. Now if UAC was already enabled, raise the slider to the next security level. Then, you have to click OK, and then also you have to click Yes if prompted by UAC to continue. Now you will need to reboot your computer in order for the new UAC changes to take effect. Then try opening the app again, and then lower your UAC settings again. Another way is to clearing your stored cache. To do so, open Run, type in the following, then press Enter. Once done, try opening your app again. For the last fix, run the System File Checker. Do it by opening Command Prompt with admin rights, type in the following, then press Enter. Now this will begin the System File Checker utility, and you have to wait until the scan completes. Then after that, try running the application again. Now if the scan was able to find and repair any problems, your application may now work. And those are the possible fixes if you're having this Windows error in your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.